Hi there, I'm Nandini and welcome to the latest Altenew Educators Video Hop. The theme for this hop is focal point, and today I'm creating a quick, clean and simple card using a combination of assorted die cuts. I'm starting with the background. I'm using the Hostars 3D embossing folder with a panel of white cardstock to add some subtle texture. Once embossed, I'm adhering the panel to a top folding A2 card base. To create my focal point, I'm using two die sets, the Mini Delight potted shelves and the Monstera 3D die set. I've also pulled out some cardstock in various shades of green. I'm choosing a few die cuts and combining them to create little potted plants. My idea is to create the look of a charming little container garden. The scale of the dies from these two sets is quite similar, which makes it really easy to mix and match the elements and create different combinations. Now let's talk about the focal point. A focal point is the part of a composition that draws the viewer's eye first, the visual anchor or the star of the show. One of the easiest ways to create a strong focal point is through isolation. When you leave plenty of space around an object, the eye is naturally drawn towards it. This is one of the principles that makes clean and simple card designs so effective, creating a good balance between the focal point and the surrounding white space. For my card, the collection of potted plants is the focal point. The sentiment strip helps ground the arrangement, while the white, textured background adds just enough interest without competing with the focal point. Once all my individual pieces are assembled, I'm arranging them into a pleasing little grouping. I'm using foam tape to pop up two of the pots. This adds dimension and creates a little more depth and interest to the design. The final step is adding the sentiment. I'm using the One Go birthday greetings set for my sentiment strip. This is one of my go-to sentiment sets, and I actually keep a little box filled with the extra sentiment strips that I've made in advance. It's so handy when you're short on time and need a sentiment quickly. And with that, my card is complete. I hope you enjoyed this clean and simple take on creating a focal point. I've included the complete supplies list in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like and comment on this video for a chance to enter the giveaway. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Bye and take care.